How to play an animation on a rig. Proximity prompt method. Add a part to put your prox in, or you can place it inside of the rig's torso. Just make sure it's inside a physical part. Put your proximity prompt inside your part by pressing the plus icon. Inside your proximity prompt, put a server script. Inside your script, put an animation object. In the Properties tab, make sure you put your animation ID. You can find your IDs in the toolbox, then My Inventory, and go to Animations. Right-click and copy ID. I suggest making your part invisible. You can do this by setting the transparency to 1. Make sure to anchor and turn off Can Collide so that players can't climb on it. Make a reference to your rig. I'll set the word NPC to my rig, but I have to tell the script where to find my rig so it can assign it to my word. Here I'm telling the script to go into the workspace and wait for an object named Tutorial Girl, which is the name of my NPC. In order to play an animation on a rig, you need to access the animator and load an animation on it. We once again tell the script where to find what we want. The animator object should be inside the humanoid. Some older rigs won't have an animator, but you should be able to just slap one inside the humanoid. You can go straight to animator, or wait for each part like we did for our NPC. Now we will make a reference that will load the animation and play it. Remember, we placed an animation object inside our script, so you can easily do script.animation. You could just tell the script to play the animation. That will make the animation play once the script has loaded. But we want the animation to play when a proximity button is pressed. At the top of our script, let's make a reference to our proximity prompt, and once again tell the script where I find it. My prox is the parent of my script, so I can simply do script.parent. We will use triggered, a Roblox call signal to detect when a player has pressed on the proximity. In the same line, we will connect and make a function. Inside your function, you can play the animation. Any code put inside the function will run once the proximity is triggered. If you want your button to hide while the animation is playing, you can disable to proximity. If you'd like for the button to return when the animation is finished, you can use yet another Roblox call signal. Use wait, and the code after this line will only run once we got the ended signal. Also, if you want your animation to loop or not loop, make sure you set that in your script as well. Now you can play test. Since this is a server script, it'll run for the entire server, meaning everyone will see it. You can swap to server view in the top left. As you can see, the animation is playing on the server. If you want the animation to only play per player, then you will need a local script. Local scripts will run your code on the client and not the server. I'll go ahead and remove my server script so I can make a local one. Local scripts cannot run inside the workspace like our server scripts can. We will simply place the local script inside our starter player section, and then inside of starter player scripts. I'll go into playtest mode for my example. Starter character is the physical model of each player. Local scripts like animations are usually here. As for starter player scripts, these are on the player, which can sound confusing, but just remember that character and player are not the same. With our local script inside of the starter player section, we can simply use the same code as before. We will just have to change a few things. Our prox is no longer the parent of our script. The parent of our script is the start player script section. We will have to go through workspace to find our prox now, just like how we did for our NPC. We will tell the script to find our prox part block, then inside is where the proximity prompt is. You will also want to make sure you have moved your animation object inside of the local script. Now your animation will only play for the person who has clicked the prox. Many players can use it at once, and the button won't vanish for anyone else. During playtest, the animation will run for me, but when I swap to server side, there will be no animation.